Morning everybody. As it's Christmas, today we're going to attempt to make mince pies. So for the mince you need sultanas, raisins, apple, orange, satsumas, mixed spices, port, bit of brandy. Chuck it all in a jam jar, squeeze it down and leave it to mature for 6 months. But we haven't got time for that. So here's one I bought earlier. For the pastry, you need 175 grams of plain flour, 75 grams of icing sugar, and 100 grams of cold butter, and not forget an egg. Other things you might need: a 12-hole muffin tin, mixing bowl, and a pastry cutter. So our first job is to mix the flour and the butter together so it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Next job, add in our caster sugar or icing sugar and beat your egg up and chuck it all in. And do this until you've got a nice dough. There we go, got a nice dough ball. And I've got to stick it in the fridge for about 15 minutes for it to firm up. Okay, that's firmed up nicely. Now we've got to roll it out. And then with our pastry cutter, we cut out 12 thingies. And line our muffin tray. So there we have 12 pastry cases, and now it's just a matter of filling them up with our mincemeat. Alright, they're all nicely filled up. And now it's time to put our lid on it. Okay, all the lids are on. Time to whack it in the oven. At this stage, I have to admit, I've made a schoolboy error. But let's see if it works and I get away with it. Anyway, in the oven for 15 minutes. So we've taken them out of the oven. It's time to plate up. They're all done. So now just to dust in a caster sugar. There we have Phil's Christmas mince pies. So there we have it, a mince pie, a glass of red wine. Merry Christmas everybody, thanks for watching.